Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today in our recipe, we are going to make a Mumbai's street food specialty which is very famously known as Pav Bhaji. And there are several steps to be made, and this video will be split into three parts. So we will make the how to make the bhaji and also so on, because they are all, it's a pretty long video. So I have decided to split the video into three parts. So stay tuned with me and let us go into the kitchen to see without any further delay. And before we enter into the kitchen, I would like to welcome everyone who is new over here to join us and to watch this video on seeing how we make this pav bhaji. Even I am not from India and I am in love with this dish. So let's see how it has been made. For those who are new, welcome aboard, and please do not forget to click the bell icon for your subscription, and also click the subscribe button, because your support helps me a lot. Thank you so much, and let's get into the kitchen without further delay. To begin, our pav bhaji dish, which is originated from Gujarat and is very famous in Bombay and Mumbai and also some other parts of India. And so I am not an Indian originally from India. I was not born and raised in India, but though I still adopt this, and it's one of my favorite dishes, dear viewers. And so we will see what are the things that we need for the first step. This is only the first step. There are lots of ingredients, so I would like to go with the first step. So for the first step, I'll begin with the small items over here. I have 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can also replace with butter, or the unsalted butter or salted butter. I have 1 teaspoon, a good amount, a heap full of chili powder. And I also have half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste. For this I will be only using approximately about quarter teaspoon of salt. That's it, nothing much. And we have half a capsicum. I will show you the capsicum, how my capsicum is. This is the amount. It's a big size. I only used half of it. And I also used carrots, which was another half of this size. So I'm just using another half of that also. And I have 1 whole potato, a large size potato, half a cup of green peas, and also half a cup of beans. I could not get fresh beans in my groceries this time, so I'm going to use the frozen beans. So let's see, even for this, for the peas, you can use the fresh peas which you soak overnight, then you can use that also. So for this, these are the things that we need for the first step. And also we will be pressure cooking this vegetable first for at least approximately 5 to 6 whistles. The vegetables are supposed to be completely cooked, and we'll see what we will do after this. So we are going to pressure cook all the vegetables, and my pressure cooker is here, dear viewers. And so the potato goes in, and also the carrots goes in, the green peas goes in, the capsicum or the bell pepper goes in, and also the beans goes in, and the chili powder, ginger garlic paste, the turmeric powder, the cooking oil, and the ghee. Finally, the salt. A quarter teaspoon of salt. And also, dear viewers, we need some water to as long all the vegetables are immersed into the water. And so give it a quick, you'll need a little bit more, and there we go. With that, we could always give a quick stir, and now it is ready to be cooked, for pressure cooked for 5 to 6 whistles. Always make sure safety comes first when you're using a pressure cooker. So we will be back when this has been cooked. And dear viewers, our potatoes are cooked, so now we are going to mash them down with a potato masher. And all the vegetables are cooked, so we just got to mash them down. I have added a little extra water, but that's okay, we will evaporate it when we cook when we may go into the next step. So until then, we can just continue mashing it. It does not has to be 100% puree. You can have a little bit of vegetables here and there in whole. So the first part is ready, and we will now go see what are the ingredients for the second part. I have mashed them about 80% right now, and so we will get into the next step.